morning. We are on Unit 7, Lesson 9. Your learning target for today is to build a Venn diagram. Hi friends, so I'm going to show you how to sort through these numbers into their proper place on the Venn diagram. So the two circles that we have are divisible by 5 and odd. If something is divisible by 5, then the number in the ones place is going to be 5 or 0. If something is odd, the number in the ones place is going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So as you can see, we have a 5 on both sides. So if a number ends in a 5, it's going to go in the middle because it applies to both divisible by 5 and odd. Numbers can be odd without being divisible by 5, and numbers can be divisible by 5 but not being odd. So now let's go through the numbers and see which part of the three circles or the three areas that it can go into. The first one we have is 2,305. That ends in a 5, so it's going in the middle. Cross it out. Our next number is 1,106. That's not divisible by 5 because it ends in a 6, and it's not odd either. So if something doesn't apply, it goes on the outside. It does not go inside the Venn diagram because it doesn't fit any of our rules. The next number is 798. Again, it's not divisible by 5, and it's not odd, so we'll put it on the outside. Our next number is 2,521. It ends in a 1, which means it's odd. It's not divisible by 5 because it doesn't end in a 5 or 0. Next we have 1,097. It ends in a 7, so it's going in the odd box. Next we have 1,642. Not divisible by 5, not odd. It goes on the outside. $9,025. It ends in a 5. Remember, if it ends in a 5, it goes in the middle because it applies to both. And the last number we have is 3,070. It ends in a 0, but we know 0 is even, not odd, so it's going just in the divisible by 5. So you will have these same numbers for your practice, but your topics will be different. So make sure that you look carefully at how you are separating the numbers out, and make sure not to forget there's going to be one thing that they'll have in common, and so they need to go in the middle part.